How to go live on Dropbox. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to go live on Dropbox. So basically, to go live on Dropbox for a real-time collaborator or review of the media files, you can use Dropbox Replay feature or for the videos and audio. For that, you just want to log into your Dropbox account. So once you're logged into your Dropbox account, what here you need to do is go to replay.dropbox.com. So what you want to do is just type in replay. When you type in that, you will be taken to the next field. Here, you just want to select the audio or a video file you want to review. And you have to click the start live view or live review button in the top right corner and select or just click onto the share to send a link to a collaborator. You can set permissions to a review, to view, comment as well, or view only. And this way you'll be able to go live on Dropbox. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.